What I wish I knew sooner, solar power isn't just for reducing bills, it's for peace of mind too. Did you know Carlsbad residents pay over 37% more for electricity than the national average? And with frequent power outages, your energy security is at risk. But there's a solution: solar power. By harnessing the sun, you can lock in your energy rates, cut down on those unpredictable SDG and E-bills, and enjoy clean, affordable electricity. Plus, with the 30% federal tax credit and local incentives, going solar in Carlsbad has never been more affordable. Imagine saving thousands over the lifetime of your system, and it's not just about savings. Adding a solar battery means you can store excess energy, keep the lights on during outages, and dodge those peak time rates. Just ask our happy customers. Since going solar, our electricity bills have plummeted, and the battery gives us peace of mind during outages. It's a game changer, so why wait? Take control of your energy future today. Call us at 858-123-4567 or learn more at www.solarpowersolutions.com. Switch to solar and start saving.